Welcome guys, welcome to this new video. Because of you we have successfully crossed over 10,000 views on YouTube. Thank you for all your love and support. Keep loving us, keep supporting us, and we will go on creating quality content for all of you, for all of our family on YouTube. And once again, thank you for all your love and support. But let's keep it aside, let's move on to today's topic. And today I am going to discuss about POCO X3 NFC. Is it worth it, or should you go for any other smartphone? So today in this video I will discuss about the specifications of POCO X3 along with the reasons for why should you buy it and why should you not, and also I will give my opinion. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and do not forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Talking about its display, it is going to have 6.67 inches of screen size with IPS LCD display with single punch hole cutout at the front. It is going to have 240 Hz of touch sampling rate and 120 Hz of refresh rate. And not only that, it is going to have a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and most importantly it is going to have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now talking about its processor, it is going to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset, which is a gaming chipset which will give you a premium gaming experience and also lag-free gaming. But the real question is it an upgradation to its killer smartphone, the launched by POCO, that is the POCO X2? Because the POCO X2 has 730G chipset, and this smartphone has 732G chipset. So I don't think so it's such a difference or an upgradation as such to that of the POCO X2. With such a little difference, there might not be a huge difference in the smoothness of the gameplay or lag-free gaming or something like that, but as it is a gaming processor, so it will give you a smooth gaming experience. Now moving on to its camera, it is going to have a quad camera setup of 64MP of primary lens, 13MP of ultra wide angle lens, 2MP of macro lens and 2MP depth sensor. And on the front, it is going to have a 20MP in display selfie camera. Now talking about its battery, it is going to have 5000 mAh of battery with 33 watt fast charging support, with 33 watt fast charger in the box. Now talking about the two most important segments, that is the launch date and the price of this product. So POCO has revealed that it will be launched soon, but I assume it will be launched by the end of this month, that is the end of September. And also the price has been revealed, it will be priced around 20,000 rupees. And now it's time for my verdict. Should you buy it or should you not? So why should you buy this smartphone? If I compare this smartphone with the killer smartphone launched by POCO, that is the POCO X2, then the only upgradation that I see is that in the battery and somewhat in the processor. Like POCO X2 has 730G processor with 4500 mAh of battery, but POCO X3 will get to see 5000 mAh of battery with 33 watt fast charging along with 33 watt charger in the box, which is why you should buy it. And also in terms of gaming, there might not be as such a big difference in the smoothness of the gameplay or lag-free gaming, but assuming that it has a little better processor than POCO X2, so you might get to see a better gaming experience. I don't know. And why shouldn't you buy it? The reason that I know that why shouldn't you buy it is that one, because of IPS LCD display, because most of the people in India don't like IPS LCD display and most of them want Super AMOLED display under this price segment, and that too it is priced around 20,000 rupees. But many other smartphones are there with AMOLED display under this price segment. So will you buy this smartphone for 20,000 rupees? Do comment down in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel TechnoBroSA to never miss any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.